Hi guys, in our previous video I have discussed about the type 1 hypersensitivity, and in this video I am going to talk about the hypersensitivity type 2. Type 2 hypersensitivity is generally called cytolytic or cytotoxic reactions because it results in the destruction of host cell either by lysis or toxic mediators. Type 2 hypersensitivity are caused by antibody binding to cells or tissue antigen. The antibodies are the IgM and IgG classes and cause cell destruction by Fc-dependent mechanisms, either directly by recruiting complement via the classical pathway. And the classical example of type 2 hypersensitivity reactions are response exhibited by a person who receives a transfusion with blood from a donor with a different blood group and erythrocytosis fetalis. We know that if an individual takes different blood group, there happens some complicated in individual's body, and those responses are called the type 2 hypersensitivity. Two different antibody mediated mechanisms are involved in these cytotoxic reactions. One is complement mediated hypersensitivity reactions, another one is antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity, which is ADCC. And in complement mediated hypersensitivity reaction, the antigen reacts with the cell membrane component, leading to complement fixation. This activates the complement cascade and leads either to lysis of the cell or opsonizations. Birth cells are commonly affected by this mechanism. And in the case of antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity, which is ADCC, use Fc receptors expressed on many cell types. That is, those are natural killer cells, macrophages, neutrophils, eosinophils, as a means of bringing these cells into contact with antibody coated target cells. Instead, ADCC, which is antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity lysis of target cells, is analogous to that of cytotoxic T cell and involves the release of cytoplasmic granules containing perforin and granzymes that activate events leading to apoptosis. These ADCC reactions involve IgG and IgG Fc receptor. It means immunoglobulin G and immunoglobulin Fc receptors. In this video, I discussed about the type 2 hypersensitivity. Hope this video will help you to understand the mechanism of type 2 hypersensitivity and what is the example of type 2 hypersensitivity. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon because in our next video we will come with type 3 hypersensitivity. Thank you guys.